Ever had a brilliant app idea but felt stopped because you don't know how to code or thought it would be too expensive? Well, what if I told you that you can build a fully functional mobile app for 100% free using AI in just a few simple steps? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn any idea into a real mobile app using ChatGPT and Google AI Studio. No coding required, zero cost, and completely beginner-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own app running on your phone. Let's jump right in. First, we need a complete blueprint for our app, and ChatGPT is going to write it for us. Open your browser, head over to ChatGPT, and log in or create a free account if you haven't already. Now check the video description below. I've included a simple prompt template you can copy. Paste that template into ChatGPT. Inside the quotation marks, simply describe the app you want to build. For today's video, we're building an expense tracker. So I'm typing Expense Tracker Pro, a clean and modern web app to track daily income and expenses, organized by categories, set monthly budgets, view chart analytics, and support dark mode. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will analyze the request and generate a complete, highly detailed specification document for your app. Once it finishes, copy that entire output. Now let's bring our app to life. Open a new browser tab, search for Google AI Studio, and click on the first link. Click the Get Started button and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side panel. Click on New App, and then select Build an Android app. Now take that detailed blueprint we copied from ChatGPT, paste it directly into the AI Studio chat box, and hit send. Google AI Studio will instantly start generating your mobile application code. During this build process, you'll see an option to choose a design theme. Use the arrows to check out the different styles, pick the theme you like best, and confirm your choice. Now, sit back and let the AI work its magic. Depending on how complex your app is, this step can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. Once the build is complete, you'll see a live interactive preview of your app right on your screen. Take a moment to test out the buttons, test the features, and make sure everything works smoothly. If you want to change anything, like tweaking the color scheme or adding a new feature, simply type your changes into the chat box and hit send. Google AI Studio will update the app for you automatically. When you're happy with the final result, you have a few awesome options. Click the Share button to send a live link to your friends or test devices. For download code, click on the Code tab and click Download option to download the complete source code as a zip file. But if you want to install this app directly onto your phone right now, click Install under the Preview tab. Now, to push the app from your computer to your phone, we need to enable USB debugging. This is where most people get stuck. So, let's break it down step by step. First, a super important warning. Make sure you are using a USB data cable to connect your phone to your computer, not just a cheap charging cable. A charging cable won't transfer data, and your PC won't detect your phone. Now, let's enable developer mode. I'm using a Redmi phone for this example, but the process is almost identical for most Android phones. Open Settings on your phone, go to About Phone, and tap on Build Number or OS version 7 times in a row. If it asks for your phone password, type it in, and boom, developer mode is activated. Now go back to Settings, Scroll down to Additional Settings and select Developer Options. Scroll down until you see USB debugging and toggle it on. A safety warning will pop up. Just check the box and tap OK. Also, if you see an option for Install via USB, make sure to turn that on as well. Quick tip: if you're using a Samsung, Pixel, or another phone and can't find these exact menu items, simply search on Google. Your phone model, how to turn on USB debugging, and you'll find the exact path for your device. Now, plug your phone into your computer using your data cable and click the Install button inside Google AI Studio. Keep an eye on your phone screen. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to install the app. Make sure to tap Allow or Install. Within a few seconds, your custom app will be fully installed and running right on your phone screen. And that's it. You just built and installed a mobile app completely free using AI. The best part? You can use this exact method to build literally any app concept you can imagine. All the prompts used in today's video are linked down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Share this with anyone who wants to create their own app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!